You're still using the same product from 2020 and you're wondering why your skincare haven't leveled up. Are you kidding me? Girl, it's 2025. It's time to upgrade your skincare routine.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today, we are going to be talking about how to get glowy skin in a week and upgrade your skincare routine. If you want to have that smooth, radiant, even glowy skin, that kind of glow that is going to blind your haters and have everyone complimenting you and asking you what skincare products you're using, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you the best skincare products you can use to achieve that beautiful, radiant, glowy skin in just 1 week. So without much further ado, let's get right into it. There are 4 main steps you need to follow if you want to achieve that beautiful, radiant, glowy skin. And that is to cleanse your skin, exfoliate your skin, moisturize your skin, and protect your skin from the sun. Right now, you just need to upgrade your skincare routine. The first product you need to add in your skincare routine to have that beautiful, radiant, glowy skin in just 1 week is a regular bar soap. And I'll recommend using this Palm Olive Naturals. This is a really nice bar soap that you can afford to add in your skincare routine this year. If you can't lay your hands on this Palm Olive bar soap, you can get this Dove Pinky bar soap. These are regular bar soaps that is going to help pre-cleanse your skin. The whole essence of using or adding this regular bar soaps in your skincare routine is to be able to pre-cleanse your skin. So while you're pre-cleansing your skin, it's going to help break down those dead oils and sweat that have been accumulated on your skin. And that is the essence of using a bar soap. Bar soaps do not do anything major. They only help to get rid of the dirt, the sweat, and oils on your skin and break it down. If you cannot get this exact bar soap, you can reach out for your detox soap or any other regular bar soap you can lay your hands on. It's not much you must get those ones I've shown you. You can get other ones that you can afford. But this right here, they are affordable and they are going to pre-cleanse your skin and prep your skin further. Now, once you get into the shower, just lather up those bar soaps on your sponge and use it to wash your skin. And immediately you're done, the next or second product you will need is your body scrub. Now, I'm trying to be as detailed as possible and show you guys how you can use it and which product comes first. So once you're done washing your skin with your bar soap, the next product for you to use is your body scrub. Don't use your body scrub on a dry skin. Most of you exfoliate your skin when it is dry. Please, if you still exfoliate on a dry skin, it's not good because you're causing your skin micro tears. You might not see it with your naked eyes, but your skin is going to get sensitized and you still end up looking for products to repair your skin barrier other than preventing it. So try to exfoliate when your skin is clean. Once you're done pre-cleansing, go in with your body scrub. And one body scrub I'll recommend you use is this Dr. Mena Alpha Arbutin body scrub. This is a really nice exfoliating body scrub that is going to help slough off the dead skin cells on your skin. And I love the fact that it contains a key ingredient, which is alpha arbutin. In other words, you're going to be getting not only physical exfoliation, you're going to be getting a 2-in-1 type of exfoliation. It's going to physically and chemically slough off the dead skin cells on your skin. It contains both physical and chemical exfoliants like 30% AHA and BHA, which is going to help gently slough off all those accumulated dead skin cells that are sitting on your skin and preventing your skin from glowing. If you really want to glow, start to exfoliate your skin and you're going to notice the difference. It's not much you must get this particular Dr. Mena body scrub, but any Dr. Mena body scrub you get is very nice and it's going to do the job. You can get any other body scrub of your choice. I actually have a video on different amazing body scrubs you could use, so you can check out that particular video once you're done watching this particular one. These are body scrubs that will exfoliate your skin and get rid of the dead skin cells that is making your skin not to glow. So if you really want your skin to be glowing and popping this year, try to get a good body scrub and add in your skincare routine. Now, immediately you're done exfoliating your skin and sloughing off the dead skin cells on your skin, the next or third product you will need is a brightening body wash. Now, this is where your routine starts to come together. You cannot be using the same body scrub you were using in 2020, in 2025, and you're wondering why your skin is not glowing. My dear, try to get a good brightening body wash and add in your skincare routine if you really want to have a glowy skin in a week. When you follow up with a good brightening body wash, you're going to have the best radiant glowy skin ever, because your brightening body wash contains ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, licorice extract, turmeric, carrot extract, and the rest that is going to help brighten up your skin and increase your skin's radiance and brightness. In other words, if you want a beautiful, radiant, glowy skin, you definitely need a good brightening body wash in your routine to be able to achieve that, because these are body washes that will help to stimulate the brightness of your skin. So if you're battling with a dull looking skin, or your skin is no longer glowing like you would want it to, get a good brightening body wash such as this Olay vitamin C body wash, or you can get the Frusia shower cream and add in your skincare routine. I love this particular one because it contains different brightening ingredients such as carrot, turmeric, papaya, that is going to brighten up your skin, even out your complexion, and give you a youthful, beautiful, radiant, glowy skin. So if you really want your skin to be popping, just get a good brightening body wash, pair it in this routine, and you're definitely going to achieve that glowy skin in a space of 1 week. Now, the next product you will need to add in your skincare routine to have a beautiful, radiant, glowy, youthful skin is a good body lotion. And I would definitely recommend using a brightening body lotion in your routine if you really want to have a brighter, glowy skin in a space of 1 week. Incorporating a good brightening body lotion in your routine, such as this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C body lotion, or the Skin by Zaron body lotion, or even this Garnier Vitamin C body lotion, is going to help brighten up your skin. And that is because these body lotions contains active brightening ingredients. Even your Olay Vitamin C body lotion is a really nice brightening body lotion that is going to help enhance your skin's radiance. Like, your skin is going to become so much beautiful, radiant, and glowy. You're definitely going to love the glow, and a lot of people will be complimenting you and asking you what product you're using on your skin when you incorporate a good brightening body lotion in your routine. These body lotions will help to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, and at the same time brighten and glow your complexion. Be you a fair skin, dark skin, chocolate, or caramel skin tone, your skin is definitely going to be popping incorporating these products in your routine. Now, for you to be able to seal up all that radiance and glow and get a beautiful, glowy skin, you need a good body oil. Be it a nourishing body oil or glowing body oil, you definitely need a really nice body oil in your routine to be able to achieve that beautiful, glowy skin. Body oils are like the icing on the cake. They are going to help seal in all that moisture and make your skin look radiant. So depending on how you want your skin to look, you can use a glow oil, you can use a nourishing body oil, depending on how you want your skin to look and feel. If you like your skin looking shiny, oily, and all of that, you can use a thick body oil like the Palmer's body oil, or you can get this particular Pierce baby oil, which is more affordable. Both of them serve similar function, and they will leave your skin looking that radiant and glowy. While if you're someone that just wants your skin to just appear glowy and gently radiate the goodness, then you can go in with Johnson's baby oil or this particular Johnson's gel oil. These are different body oils that is going to help build up that radiance and give you that beautiful, youthful, glowy skin that you want. Finally, you need a good sunscreen. Like, how on earth would you want to achieve a beautiful, blinding glow and you're not using sun protection? You're dulling. You cannot be dulling in 2025. You need a good sunscreen with SPF 30 and above in your routine to have your skin popping and blinding your haters. So try and incorporate a good sunscreen like the Skin Aqua sunscreen, your Biore UV Watch USN sunscreen, or La Roche-Posay sunscreen if you can afford it. If you can afford a good sunscreen, girl, I would advise you spend that money and get a good sunscreen. Stop buying cheap sunscreens because some of them do little to nothing on your skin. You might even be using it and you're still getting sunburn. So try and invest in a good sunscreen and your skin glow is gonna be on another level. By the time you combine all these products I've shown you, trust me, your glow will be on another level. A lot of people are gonna stop you on the road to ask you, hey, what are you using on your skin? Like, that's the kind of compliment you'll be getting. So get ready to have that kind of compliment and having people stop you on the road to ask you that kind of question. So if your goal is to be glowing and shining in 2025, try to upgrade your skincare routine. Add those products I've shown you in your routine and watch how your skin is going to transform in a week. Of course, you guys already know that skincare is not magic. So you definitely need to be consistent with the skincare products for you to be able to see results. That is simply all I have for you guys today, and how you can upgrade your skincare routine and ditch all those products you have been using since 2020. Upgrade your skincare routine and you're going to get value for your money. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.